Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel How2. Today I'm here with an all new playlist in which I'm gonna teach you how to solve Rubik's Cube with the easiest method. To complete the course properly, click on the eye icon given on the top right corner to see the full playlist and all the videos of this playlist for better result. So that's been said, let's start the video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to solve the white cross on the bottom. The task here is to put together a white cross and align its edges with the right colored center on each side. Now, let's get started. To begin with, you have to put together a sequence that looks kind of like easy. It's really easy and doesn't require any special algorithm. Try it yourself. Here we can see a white edge. Put the white center on the bottom and bring the white edge upward. Here is another white edge. Bring it upward. Here are two more white edges. Bring them to the upper layer too. Here is another one. Bring it upward. Now rotate the top layer with the daisy on it and align the right color of the layer with the color of the center. Now rotate this layer 180 degrees. Here it has matched. Do the same with the other whites. Here it has already matched, so turn it 180 degrees. This one is also matched, so rotate this 180 degrees. But that one is not matched. So here is the blue edge and here is the blue center. Now rotate this 180 degrees. Here you have done the cross.